You're in too, right?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Buenos dias, buenos dias. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, as you can see, I am not in my garage. I forgot to do an intro for my channel. I gotta have an intro for my channel. So, here we are in my crib doing an intro. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing a differential into the S486 RX7 that I have in my driveway, that I'm going to be doing, I guess, a resto mod on it, or I'm just going to be fixing it, putting it back together. So that's the plan. Hope you enjoy. First try. I got it.
Yeah, no, no estaban apretados. Don't know why. Tiene brake pads ni nada, huh? Where'd you get this car from, Mario?
Got it from Bill.
Oh, Bill te lo dio?
Yeah, well, I bought it from him because this one was a hardtop.
I wanted a hardtop. Yeah. Done? Nomás quítelo. Push it off, si puedes.
Anita,
No?
todavía no va a salir.
Okay.
Es...
Sweet.
¿Done? Apretado, how come?
That's a good thing.
No, déjale, dice que está.
It's probably because Bill was planning to use this for a
Yeah.
race car.
Hey, give me the... El de este de... Entonces se lo saco bien, ¿verdad?
Yeah, you can take it out.
Te iba a decir, dame el that... So we can... Salió la nada.
That's how it comes out. It comes out, the nuts. The nuts come off right there.
¿Tiene otro allá adentro?
I think the other one is I think the bracket, the other one, I think it's a 14, I think,
yeah.
right?
I don't need to take it off.
Yeah, you're right. You don't have to take it off all the way.
Just drop it. Just
Perfect.
like this.
Just move it out the way a little bit. Cool.
Yes.
Let's just keep an eye on
That's
the nut. Here. Alright, so what we did here, of course, was we went ahead and removed the shock, and then we also removed the main mounts, the brackets for the subframe, for the rear subframe. So now Pops is about to lower it.
Okay, coming down.
Yep, coming down. Let's go!
Yo.
Yep. Here we go. Another subframe down. So now we just got to install the differential in here. We've already got the axles, so that'll be easy. And we'll be good to go. We'll just pop it back in. Bing, bang, boom. Whoop, whoop. So again, we're getting ready to reinstall the differential into the subframe. Front diff mount, the washer that you want. You want to make sure that you have this when you install it. Let's go. But only one, I want to make sure it fits.
Oh, pero esa es la que le vamos a poner al tuyo, ¿ah?
So the black one. This one already has it, so I'm not. We can get these later. Okay. Yeah, these are it.
Good?
Yeah.
sure as I'm losing it.
All right, what's up, everybody?
Is yours a V6 or a 4?
We have a slight interruption in a good way. Thumbs up.
Oh, they don't?
We're being safe, wearing our masks.
Yeah, that's the top model.
My boy PJ. My boy PJ. Say what's up, PJ. My boy PJ. He came through clutch, so he didn't come through flywheel, he came through clutch. Okay. So he came through clutch because we now have a flywheel for the turbo. So we're gonna go get the flywheel and we'll go ahead and show you guys in a minute. Alright, so again, my boy PJ came by. Peace out, PJ. And he came in clutch, helped out a ton, and he does not live close. So shout out to my boy PJ for helping me out and taking care of me with the well, let me show you. So this bad boy, boom, boom. That's going to be a S5 8991 turbo flywheel. So turbo flywheel, that is all I needed to finish putting in the transmission, and then we're gonna be good to go. Actually, I take that back. I need a little thing, and that's going to be the pilot bearing and the seal. So I'm gonna be in there, I'm gonna replace it, and we'll be good to go. So now back to your regularly scheduled programming.
aquí. Okay. Entonces déjalo de ahí así. Now start pulling the one in the back. Súbelo de enfrente, de atrás. Un poquito más. De enfrente.
This is the front top.
Okay, ahí entró, súbelo. Súbelo. You're in too, right?
Yep.
Yes, sir!
Go ahead and get, I think that's the 21. There we go, Honda. Mande. Okay, hang on, Marita, ya vengo, okay?
Sí le puedes levantar del rear end. Porque no tenemos rear end.
Now have a diff.
Down, boy. For today.
All right, and we're finished. So that's gonna be it for tonight. We definitely have a lot more to do, and but we definitely made good progress. We finally got a differential in the car, and of course it went smooth. Second, third time we've done it now, so now we're professionals. We're professional diff installers for Mazda RX7s. So yeah, Pops, you want to say anything to your fans?
Hi, fans.
Sexiest man alive.
It's late, but it's been a good night. We were able to finish what we started and accomplished what we wanted to accomplish.
Boom. Well said. Well said. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next video. Peace.